Okay, Krista, now I'm gonna show you how to make quick and easy lemonade.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, are you a fan of lemonade?
Yeah, I like something sour.
Okay, so usually how you make your lemonade?
I don't really good at cooking.
Squeeze.
Yeah.
If you want to make lemonade, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how Thermomix make lemonade. Can you swipe to the left, to your left? Yes. Swipe the screen, yes. Okay, and select scale.
Wow, we can use
So this is our timbang. And here I have some lump sugar. Okay, you just pour half first. Okay, check on the screen. It's moving, so it start weighing. Okay, this is very accurate. It's 1 gram interval. Continue to pour the rest. Yeah. Now, this is the correct way to close the mixing bowl lid. I'm gonna show you the most powerful speed in Thermomix, which is the turbo function. Select turbo.
I see. What is this function for?
What is this function for? Okay, now 2 seconds first. Firecracker coming. 1, 2, 3. So now I want to show you what your magic finger just did. Check this out.
Oh my god, it becomes...
Wow! Yeah! Can you remember where is the weighing scale?
Let me try.
Yes!
So to the left.
Yes!
And then the scale.
Yes! You already know how to use the Thermomix. It's very easy, right? So here, I have 2 lemon here, cut into half. I need you to put in together with the skin.
Oh, together with the skin.
Yes! Lemon is very sensitive fruit, right? We cannot over process it. If we over process, then later the lemonade will be very bitter. Okay. Can you remember where's the turbo function?
Yeah, let me try.
Yes.
I think this right? The
Yes, correct. Well done. So now I need you to turn the speed selector to 2 seconds. Okay, enlarge this one. And turn the speed selector to clockwise. Okay, 1, 2, go! Can you smell? It's very zesty. Wake up. So this is a simmering basket. Now I'm going to put it in to strain out the juice. Leave it up like this.
I see.
Okay, Krista, I have something to show you. Remember just now when I put in the lump sugar, it becomes powder, right?
Yeah.
After 2 seconds. So, look.
Wow.
This is my favorite drink and also my daily natural vitamin C dose. Cheers to your health.
Thank you.
Okay, try and let me know if you like it.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice, right? So actually, right, because I want to show you the grinding function of this turbo function, if you want to omit the sugar, you can also replace with honey or any type of sugar that you want. Okay, so hope you will like this.